Hello friends and welcome to another TMR Tours. I'm Stacy and today I'm going to take you over to Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, where they celebrate the unique blend of Spanish, Mexican, and Southwestern American cultures at this lovely resort. Today I'm going to show you around our king bed cabana room. Starting off in the front by the window, we have a desk area with a lounging chair and a desk chair. What's really great about this desk is that it is actually a stone top desk, so it's really solid. If you need to get some work done, this is a great place to be, especially because each of these little black spaces is 2 outlets with 2 USB ports on it, so plenty of charging space for all of your devices. There's even a convenient light bar for late night work. This sturdy leather chair pulls out for plenty of seating and lots of leg room. All 3 drawers offer ample storage. Next to the drawers is a cabinet just for your mini fridge. At the edge of the desk is an open shelving unit where your ice bucket and extra cups are. This is a great place to store any of your extra snacks such as breakfast bars or granola bars. On the bottom is a Keurig machine with Joffrey's coffee pods. The closet next to the desk features a full-length mirror. It also has an extra pillow and blanket, hangers for any of your jackets and things you want to hang up, as well as the steam iron, ironing board, and the best feature of all at moderate resorts, the luggage rack, which is really nice just to get your luggage up off the ground. Before we head into the bathroom, I want to show you a really cool feature of this moderate resort. Casting to your room's television. You can use your phone and cast directly to your TV, things like Netflix or Disney Plus or Hulu. Using your remote, scroll over to Connect My Device. Then use your phone's camera function to scan the QR code on the television. This will then provide you directions on how to link your phone to the TV, and you can start watching. Moving across the room through the sliding barn doors is the Spacious Bathroom. It features a lovely double vanity and walk-in shower. There's plenty of counter space for your toiletries, both below next to the sinks and on top. There's even little cubbies below for extra storage. Inside the bright shower, there's a shelf for any of your shampoos that you may have brought. And above the hidden drain, there's another little shelf if you need that. The double shower head feature is great. You can either have a rain shower or there's a handheld function as well. This shower felt very spacious and clean. Did I mention the double vanity mirror was lighted all the way around? That's in addition to the makeup mirror that's mounted on the side. One thing to note is that the toilet wasn't separated off from the rest of the bathroom, and this is also where the safe was located. The last feature that I enjoyed was that there were multiple hooks in the bathroom for hanging up towels or clothes. Going back into the room, each side of the king-size bed features a large bedside table. The tops match the same stone of the desk. Underneath is a large cubby space, and there's a drawer. On the one side of the bed, that large cubby space also had another room safe. The whisper hinges on these prevent late night noise. The lamps even had 2 outlets and 2 USB ports on each side of the bed. Overall, we felt that the room was very spacious and clean. The hard floors as well as the warm mid-tones were inviting. There was plenty of storage space, and we loved how many outlets and USB ports there were to meet our technology needs. We found that the mattress was very comfortable and provided a great night's rest. There were 5 pillows on the bed, so there's plenty for everyone. Coronado is one of our favorite moderate resorts to stay at because it offers a variety of room locations. We liked this room because it was a king-size bed in the cabanas, but you may like to stay in Gran Destino Tower and have all of the amenities that offers instead. This resort has 10 food and beverage locations, 4 different pools, a gym and spa, jogging trails, volleyball, campfires, and special art classes, so there's tons to do here. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Feel free to leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
For more Disney facts and our blog, check out TMR Tours over on Facebook. See you on another adventure from around the world.
Congaloosh.